What is the correct balanced chemical equation for photosynthesis? Correct answer B. 6 molecules of carbon dioxide combines with 12 molecules of water to give rise to 1 molecule of glucose, 6 molecules of oxygen and 6 molecules of water. In the process of photosynthesis, which organelle contains chlorophyll? Correct answer chloroplast. Chloroplasts are the green organelles in plant cells that contain chlorophyll. What do green dots seen under a microscope in a leaf cross section represent? The green dots are chloroplasts. So the correct answer is chloroplast. Which part of the leaf contains the most chloroplast? Correct answer palisade layer. Palisade layer contains the maximum number of chloroplasts. Which of the following is not a step of photosynthesis? Correct answer is D. Conversion of chemical energy to light energy, because in photosynthesis, light energy gets converted into chemical energy. Which solution is used to test the presence of starch in leaves? Correct answer iodine solution. What is the purpose of keeping a leaf in alcohol during the starch test? Correct answer C. Boiling the leaf in alcohol removes chlorophyll. Which structure controls the opening and closing of stomata? Correct answer guard cells. Guard cells swells or shrink to open and close the stomatal pore. What is the role of guard cells in a leaf? Correct answer D. Guard cells control the opening and closing of stomata. The stomata remain closed when? Correct answer B. When guard cells lose water, they become flaccid. In the experimental setup with potassium hydroxide, what is the role of potassium hydroxide? Answer is D. Potassium hydroxide absorbs carbon dioxide from the air inside the bell jar. What happens in the experiment when potassium hydroxide is used inside the bell jar? Correct answer A. Plants cannot produce starch. The finger-like projections in amoeba that help in capturing food are called? Correct answer A. Pseudopodia, which is also called as false feet. Which process in amoeba allows it to take in food? Correct answer C. Phagocytosis. Which part forms the food vacuole in amoeba? Correct answer Pseudopodia. Pseudopodia surround the food particle and form a food vacuole. What happens to the undigested food in amoeba? Correct answer C. It is expelled outside the body. Which nutrition type is followed by bread molds, yeast, and mushrooms? Correct answer C. These fungi follow saprotrophic nutrition. What enzyme is present in saliva that helps break down starch? Correct answer D. Saliva contains salivary amylase. What does the blue-black color in the starch test indicate? Correct answer B. It indicates the presence of starch. What is the name of the long muscular tube from mouth to anus? Correct answer B. Alimentary canal. What is the function of the esophagus in digestion? Correct answer C. It pushes the food to the stomach through peristaltic movements. Which organ releases hydrochloric acid in the digestive system? Correct answer stomach. Stomach secretes HCl to kill germs and activate enzymes. Which organ secretes bile? Correct answer liver. Liver produces bile which is stored in the gallbladder. What is the function of bile stored in the gallbladder? Correct answer D. It emulsifies fats. That means it breaks large fat globules into smaller ones. The finger-like projections in the small intestine that increase the surface area for absorption are called? Correct answer villi. These are the small projections that increase the surface area to absorb nutrients.